Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola E5 Play, and today I'll show you how to clear browser data or history. And to do it, you open up basically your browser. For me it's Chrome. From here you can click on the three dots that are not really visible at the moment because there is an update, but disregard that. You will hit on history, and from here you can basically manually delete whichever one you want to get rid of, so you can tap the X, or you can just tap on clear browser data right here, and you can basically go through last hour or whatever, or basic time range you can set up. For instance, we're gonna get rid of all of it, so all time and clear data. And now basically everything that you have visited ever on the device will be gone. You can customize it to how far back you want it to go to your liking, but as you can see now, there are the three dots. Just to show you one more time, history, and then once you have some app open, you can, or not app, I meant website, you can basically remove, say, last hour. As you can see, it's gone. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.